Hello, this is Ivan with WTI, and I have here the clear ghost cover by UPPERCASE. If you're tired of cleaning that dust, that lint, and even crumbs from your keyboard for your laptop, then you're going to love this protector. As soon as you put it in and you start using it, you feel as if there was no cover at all. So that's really nice. And also, as you get it maybe a little dirty, dusty, then it's completely washable and it doesn't become damaged with cleaning one over and over again. The quality stays the same. The nice part about it is that it has access to the Touch ID, so you don't have to remove the cover to use that feature in itself. All in all, it's a very functional, durable, washable cover for your keyboard. So if you're looking for a keyboard cover that is truly slim for your MacBook, then this is the cover for you that will also keep it very clean. But that's just my point of view.